Hi there, it's Tracy. Today I'm happy to share with you my fall 3-tiered tray. I am participating in a challenge hosted by Arlynn's Country Craft Corner and Kim from Sweet Daisy Creations. So there are a lot of us that are sharing our fall tiered tray for inspiration. So I will have the playlist listed below, as well as some other details. So let me show you how I put this together. Okay, my 3-tier tray is from a website called Pick Your Plum. They have daily deals every day. And so to decorate it for fall here, I have 2 strands of the autumn leaves from the Dollar Tree. And I just have put little batteries in the little pack. And so then now I'm going to twist it around these spindles because that's going to give me the light that I'm looking for in the middle of the tray. These small little hay bales are from the Dollar Tree, and I keep the plastic wrap on them, and then I just turn them over so the little tag, you can't see them, because these little hay bales are very messy, and so I just want them for height and for look. I don't want all the mess. And then next I'm going to put on these. I have these little rusty bed springs, and then I have this pitberry garland that I had cut and wrapped around the little bed springs. And I love to decorate with bed springs, and I just have them around my home, and I love to put these little pitberries around them because it really just adds so much character to little decorations. Now this is the sign that I'm going to be using for my tray, and it's a sign that I had hand painted, and it says "Welcome to the Pumpkin Patch." And these are the 2 stuffed pumpkins that I'm going to be using. These are my biggest pumpkins that I'm going to be using for this tray. For the florals, I am using this little bunch. Now I've had this in my stash for a while, but I'm sure I got it at the Dollar Tree. And then one thing that I like to do is I don't like to cut my little flowers apart, my little bushes. I just kind of bend the stem and then just kind of tuck them underneath things so that way I can use it for other things. Okay, here is a fall leaf bushel, and I'm doing the same thing. I just bend the stem and then just kind of tuck it underneath the pumpkin. And then those little pumpkins, those little ceramic pumpkins, are from the Dollar Tree this year. And then I'm just going to add some other pumpkins, and then that garland, or actually those little leaves, that was a garland that just kind of fell apart, and it had some berries and some pumpkins and gourds and sunflowers, and it had all this fun stuff on it. And so I just use it for my little tray like this, or in a basket, just kind of tuck them here and there and everywhere, and just kind of let them kind of set, and it just really gives the whole little thing just really some fall love. Okay, I have these little bushes of pomegranates that I got at the Dollar Tree, and then I'm doing the same thing. I just bend the stem and then just kind of tuck them into my tray, kind of rearranging the pomegranates or kind of like little berries, and they just kind of have them poking out here and there and everywhere, and I really like that look. I'll just continue to add little pumpkins where I see little holes. And then also I have these little berries. And then I'm going to start with the acorns and the little pine cones that I got from Dollar General. And so I'm just kind of seeing where my holes are, and I just kind of fill in wherever I see, you know, this one fits there or that, and, you know, just really make it So pretty. Okay, and here is my 2018 fall decorated tier tray. I just love how it turned out. I just love my little sign that says welcome to the pumpkin patch. Thank you so much to Arlynn and Kim for hosting this challenge. I had a lot of fun participating with you ladies, and I can't wait to see what everyone else does with their tier tray. Remember, the playlist will be in the description below, as well as some other details. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I appreciate you all so much. Thank you all, and God bless.